welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you really quickly how to add a countdown timer to your emails. Honestly, this video is probably going to be about 2 minutes. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to Centric.com. You can sign up and do all the other things, yada, yada, yada. But all I'm going to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can add your email address. That's just where they're going to send the countdown to you in case you don't copy it from here. It allows you to choose what dates you want your email to, want your countdown to extend to. I'm just going to pick a random time, random date. Of course, leaving it in English. This is where you can change the color of the background of your countdown, change the text color, and change the color of the numbers. Then you're just gonna hit generate. Really simple, really easy, and now you have a countdown to add into your emails. You can also add these onto like your websites and things like that. But today we're just doing the email. All you have to do is copy this HTML information right here and head over to Klaviyo, whatever you call it. In the create a campaign section of Klaviyo, I'm just going to add a text box to my email. I'm not going to do a full email on this tutorial just because I've already showed you all how to do an email campaign. If you are interested in that, go ahead and watch that video. Over here on the customization options, you're just going to click source code. Just delete this information right here and paste the code you got from Centric. And it does take a minute to come up, so I'm just going to get out of these options, and there we go. So right here you see that it does have white spacing around it. If that doesn't bother you, leave it. It bothers me, I'm going to fix it. So all I would do is just come down here and turn the background color on, which makes it black, and it just fills some of that space right there. But there is still white around it. It bothers me. If it doesn't bother you, leave it. So I'm going to turn the block black. So you don't necessarily have to do the text area. I just do it just to do it. So whatever color you decide to put your countdown in, you can do the background as well. Just type in the hex code or choose black or white depending on what you're using. So that is pretty much it. All you need to do is go ahead and add in the rest of the information for your email, and your countdown will be just like this. It does work. And you can also send yourself a test email just for that reassurance that it is still going to be working when you send out your email. But that was just a really quick tutorial on how to add the countdown to your email, and then you can just continue to edit and customize your email before sending it out. I hope that helps, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.